What if I told this house in Toronto went from this to this? Would you believe it? Come with me. I'll show you how we did it. This was a full home renovation in Toronto. Basement, main floor, and second floor. Norseman handled all of it, from the floor plans and interior design through to construction. One team, one plan, from the first drawing to the final walkthrough. Here is what we started with. The spaces were closed off, the flow was broken, and storage was an afterthought. Nothing was technically wrong with it, it just was not built around how this family actually lives. Before anyone picked up a tool, every decision was made on paper. The floor plans were drawn with the interior in mind from day one, so the layout, the storage, and the finishes were all resolved together, not patched in later. Start at the bottom. The basement went from a space nobody used to one of the most functional floors in the house. Better ceiling height feel, real lighting, and a layout that finally has a purpose. The main floor is where the whole project comes together. Opening it up changed everything. The kitchen, the flow between rooms, the way light moves through the space. This is the floor you feel the moment you walk in. Upstairs, the focus was on how the family lives day to day. Bedrooms that work, storage that disappears into the design, and bathrooms that feel calm instead of cramped. The finishes get the attention, and they should, but the reason they look right is that they were chosen with the build in mind. Materials, fixtures, and proportions that fit the actual space at the actual dimensions. None of this happened by accident. When the same team draws the plans, designs the interior, and runs the construction, there are no gaps and no version drift. When something changed on site, the people who designed it made the call. Here is the finished home, start to finish. This is what it looks like when the design and the build are one process from day one. This is what a full home renovation looks like when every decision is made in the right order. If you are planning a renovation or a custom home in Toronto, this is how we work. Book a free consultation at norsemanconstruction.ca.